Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sir,
continue.
So,
it's necessary to make notes of GS paper.
boss, if you have notes, then it becomes a little easy to revise them. Because in the end, you have to write 4 papers in 2 days, and you have multiple subjects. So if you don't have quick revision notes, it becomes very tough to revise at the end, and you don't have consolidated material. You will be thinking in what should I say in silos that 2 point याद आएंगे 4 भूल जाओगे. But you have keyword specific notes, then you'll be able to revise them. I'll share a copy of social issues notes. Those are very good notes, so you can get a gist as to how should you prepare notes for means examination. I'll share those notes in a while. Amit will share it with you. So
Okay, sir.
those are notes made by somebody else, a friend of mine, but you'll get a very good idea as to how you should make them. So please, if possible, have some fodder material on every word mentioned in the syllabus of all the 4GS papers, especially these current topics like security, ethics, current topics like security, ethics,